Hi guys, मेरा नाम निधि है. I'm from London. Originally, I'm from India, but I've been living in London for more than 10 years. I'm settled here. I like to share my experience with you all. मैं बताना चाहूँगी कि मेरे पास पिछले कुछ महीनों से एक कॉन्सेप्ट था दिमाग में, जिसमें मैं फ़िज़िकली लंदन में होते हुए इंडिया में बिज़नेस करना चाहती थी. But I had no clue where I wanted to start from. I had this nice idea, lekin while I was doing my homework, I was doing a research, I was reading about this, how I would do it. I came across this amazing website called the Rolling Plate. This company is actually a godsend for me, I would say. I got in touch with the MD of the company, whose name is Jahan Khurana. He helped me with my doubts, with my confusions. उन्होंने काफ़ी इन्फॉर्मेशन मुझे प्रोवाइड करी, डिटेल्स, हाउ स्टेप बाय स्टेप ये कॉन्सेप्ट हम कर सकते हैं. और I would say that I'm quite pleased, quite satisfied with the concept, with the information they provided, with their help and support. And I'm 100% positive on this, and hopefully I'll be having my own franchisee in India very soon after the lockdown, and the company has helped me. So अगर आप लोगों में से भी कोई इस तरह जिनके पास इस तरह का आइडिया है जो कि बिज़नेस करना चाहते हैं लेकिन फ़िज़िकली अवेलेबल नहीं है इंडिया में, तो प्लीज़ गेट इन टच विद द रोलिंग प्लेट, एंड आई होप इट वुड वर्क फॉर यू द सेम वे इट वर्कed for me. Yeah, I would highly recommend them. Thank you, Rolling Plate.